America. Now, it's a cold start to the day. If you haven't yet ventured out, bear that in mind. More or less across the board. Last night, temperatures in Glasgow fell to -4, -7.4 in Tullochbridge near Fort William. But there is a fair bit of sunshine. Now, 9 o'clock this morning sees a fair bit of cloud across the northwest of Scotland, some showers and some drizzle. But the rest of Scotland, it's a relatively bright but cold start. Northern England down towards the Midlands and Hampshire. Here too, some sunshine around first thing, but cold and frosty. Whereas down the east coast, we're more prone to some showers, and in the southeast they'll be fairly persistent through the course of the day, accompanied by a nagging northeasterly breeze. As we drift over towards the southwest, here too it's a cold start to the day with some frost, but some sunshine. And then for Wales, a wee bit more cloud at times through the morning, but equally a lot of dry weather and a cold start. Cold too across Northern Ireland this morning, but dry with some sunshine. Now, as we head on through the course of the day, not a lot really changes. We hang on to the cloud across the northwest, still some showers. Also some showers coming in across the northeast of England. Heavier showers, more persistent showers too, coming in across Essex and Kent in particular, possibly West Sussex too. And here we have that nagging northeasterly, so you will need to wrap up warmly. That will feel cold, but generally it's a cold day ahead. There's some fog around this morning as well, particularly around the Glasgow area. Most of that though should tend to lift. If it doesn't, that will hold the temperatures down too. Now, through the evening and overnight period, it's not going to be quite as cold as the night just gone. We still are expecting a patchy frost, but there will be a bit more cloud around, and we hang on to the showers across eastern areas of England in particular, and still that nagging breeze. That's how we start tomorrow then. We've got a bit of a north-south split. So in Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, there will be more cloud around, 1 or 2 showers, especially so across the northwest. Whereas for the rest of England and also Wales, we're looking at some sunnier skies. But temperatures a couple of degrees lower than they should be generally at this time of the year. And then as we move on into Sunday, well, it's really going to be chasing the breaks in the cloud for the sunshine. On Sunday, it is going to be a fairly cloudy day. Some of us will see some sunny spells, but of course, it is once again going to feel cold. So in summary for this weekend, after the week we've had, the weather quietens down, the winds ease, there'll be some frost by night, there'll be some patchy fog as well. Some of us will see some sunshine, but especially on Sunday, there'll be a fair bit of cloud around. I'm away to wrap up even more warmly than I am already, Naga and Charlie, because I can tell you it is freezing, although the temperature doesn't necessarily say that, it feels it.